Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce, your virtual learning platform for all the concepts relating to commerce stream. My name is Deepshika Gandhi and the topic that I am taking for today's video is concept of utilities. So utility economics में क्या होता है, what are its characteristics, that is what we are going to discuss today. So utility एक बहुत ही important concept है economics में because it forms the basis of many important laws and concepts in economics. So अगर आप उन laws को concepts को समझना चाहते हैं, so you have to be very clear about what is utility and what are its characteristics. So utility in economics is basically a way of measuring the satisfaction that the consumer gets by consuming a good or service. For example, आपने एक एप्पल कंज्यूम किया, उससे आपको क्या satisfaction मिलता है, that is what utility is concerned with. To measure utility, we have two important approaches. One is cardinal utility. So cardinal utility में economists assign measurable or we can say quantifiable numbers to the utility derived by a person. We can say that person A consumes an apple and he gets utility equals to 10 utils. वहीं पर पर्सन बी कंज्यूम करता है एक एप्पल और उसे यूटिलिटी मिलती है 8 यूटिल्स. सो वी कैन से पर्सन ए इज हैविंग हायर यूटिलिटी फ्रॉम एप्पल देन पर्सन बी. सो इन कार्डिनल अप्रोच हम मैथमेटिकल नंबर्स असाइन करते हैं टू द सेटिस्फेक्शन. सेकेंड अप्रोच इज ऑर्डिनल अप्रोच ऑफ यूटिलिटी. ऑर्डिनल अप्रोच में हम क्या करते हैं, वी कंपेयर द यूटिलिटीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कंज्यूम 2 ड्रिंक्स A and B. I get more satisfaction from A than B. So I can say that I prefer A over B. So in ordinal approach of utility analysis, comparison or preference is set rather than assigning numbers to the utility. So it is a bit more realistic because assigning preference or comparing two utilities is much easier than assigning quantifiable numbers to the utilities or satisfaction received. हम ये easily बोल सकते हैं that Mr. A likes mangoes more than Mr. B. Or I can also rank 4 foods. So when we assign quantifiable numbers, measurable numbers to the goods or services like 10 utils, 15 utils, 20 utils, then it is cardinal approach to utility measurement. When we assign rankings, when we put the goods in order of preference like A, B, C and D, then it is known as ordinal approach of utility analysis.
Now coming to characteristics of utility. Utility is relative. That means utility can keep on changing in relation to place and time. For example, air conditioner can be more useful or can give more satisfaction and can have more utility in Delhi as compared to Shimla. On the other hand, they can be useful or can give more utility to the consumers in summers rather than winters. Utility is psychological in nature. That means अगर कोई चीज़ किसी को बहुत पसंद है, ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो दूसरे किसी इंसान को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं हो, because every person has their likes and dislikes. So utility can be said to be as psychological in nature. Utility cannot always be related to usefulness. That means कोई चीज़ हो सकती है जो आपको नुकसान दे, आपके लिए यूज़फुल ना हो, but still it can give you satisfaction and it can give you utility as well. So every time utility will not be related to usefulness, something that is harmful to you or not useful to you can also give you satisfaction or utility. Utility has no moral significance. That means something can be morally or ethically wrong, but still it can give satisfaction and utility to somebody. For example, a gun will have utility for both the people, one, a shooter who is participating in Olympics, and another person who wants to murder somebody. Here, question of moral significance or ethically right or wrong is not considered. The gun will have utility for both of them.
That was all for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Have a nice day.